Hi, this is Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'd like to share this quilt with you that I finished recently. This quilt was made with a pattern named Star Stream by Sally Davies. The quilt features My Little Pony fabric, and the little ponies are fussy cutted so that they are in the middle of the blocks and seem to be streaming through the sky. I can think of lots of little girls who would love this quilt. I saw a sample of this quilt featuring Unicorn Kingdom fabric and thought, oh, that would be great for the My Little Pony fabric I have. And this quilt will be donated to Comfort Cases, as we've been donating a bunch of our quilts to Comfort Cases lately. So it will be given to a child who's in foster care, and it will be their own quilt to have and keep. If you'd like to see more pictures of this quilt and find out where to find the pattern for this quilt, please click the link in the description of this video and visit our website needlepointers.com. There we will have a link to the pattern to purchase and also more pictures of this quilt so you can see close-ups of the quilting that I did on this quilt. This is a crib size quilt, and it features 5 of the Starstream blocks, and it has 2 blocks on the top right and the bottom right side that just have 2 smaller stars in them. Each of the larger Starstream blocks has the main Starstream block and has 1 small star also in each of the big blocks. For the quilting on this quilt, I wanted to give the continued illusion that the stars were streaming through the sky. So what I did was I outlined with like a 1/8 to 1/4 inch around each of the stars, and then I put lines of stitching along the long sides of the triangle blocks, and I continued the stitching out until it hit something else, like either the side of another block or all the way to the edge of the quilt. So as you can see, these go up and they run into this block, and then this block, for the smaller blocks from the points that were facing that direction, I took stitching and went up and out until I either hit another star block or I hit the edge of the quilt. So this gives the illusion of the stars shooting through the sky. This section here and this section here do not have any stitching in it. So that helps also with the illusion that these star stream blocks are streaming across the quilt. The back of this quilt features more My Little Pony fabrics, so the child that gets this quilt will not be disappointed by the amount of My Little Pony that is contained on the front of the quilt. They got plenty on the back. For this quilt, I use my quick quilt binding method to put a binding on the quilt. A link to the tutorial for this quick quilt binding is also on the page that is linked from this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this quilt I made from the Starstream pattern, and hope you consider making one yourself. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for other quilting videos and tutorials. And while you're there, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter so you won't miss out on any of our new projects. Happy quilting!